Welcome back to Reviewsinside.tv. Today, we're taking a close look at the Shark Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, model IZ362H. If you've been hunting for a lightweight yet powerful vacuum that tackles everything from carpets to pet hair and doesn't break the bank, stick with me. This one might just be the answer. Let's jump right into what makes this vacuum stand out. The Shark IZ362H promises to bring high-performance cleaning in a super lightweight package. With a sleek red design, this cordless vacuum offers Shark's Hypervelocity Accelerated Suction technology. That's a fancy way of saying it's got some serious power packed into a relatively small frame. Whether you're trying to dig deep into carpet fibers or engage hard floors, this vacuum's PowerFins brushroll ensures continuous cleaning contact, leaving no dirt behind. This vacuum also boasts a no-hair wrap feature, which is especially great if you have pets. Pet hair tends to tangle in brushes, but Shark's self-cleaning brush roll handles it for you. You'll appreciate this feature if you've ever spent time pulling hair off your vacuum after every cleaning session. When it comes to cleaning performance, the Shark IZ362H is designed to be effective across different floor types. Whether you have thick carpets or smooth hardwood floors, this vacuum's versatility doesn't disappoint. For carpets, the Hypervelocity Suction ensures deep penetration to lift embedded dirt and debris, while the PowerFins brush roll digs into fibers, helping to release trapped particles. On hard floors, the vacuum glides effortlessly, picking up dust and larger debris without pushing it around. That means fewer passes and less time spent cleaning. But what's a vacuum without good filtration? With Shark's anti-allergen complete seal technology and HEPA filtration, this vacuum does a great job at trapping dust, allergens, and pet dander, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. It ensures that these particles stay trapped inside the vacuum and don't get released back into the air, which is a huge bonus for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality. One of the standout features of the Shark IZ362H is its 40-minute runtime. This cordless vacuum is powered by a removable battery, which gives you 40 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning in standard mode. While that's a decent amount of time, it's worth noting that higher suction settings will drain the battery faster, so you might find yourself needing to recharge if you're cleaning a large space or using the vacuum at max power for extended periods. Now let's talk about ease of use. The Shark IZ362H has a low-profile design, which makes it perfect for getting under furniture. Whether it's the coffee table or the bed, you won't have to do much maneuvering to get to those hard-to-reach spots. Plus, the removable handheld vacuum is a nice touch. It transforms into a handy tool for above-floor cleaning, allowing you to tackle upholstery, stairs, and car interiors with ease. Along with the removable dust cup, which has a clean-touch dirt ejector for easy emptying, this vacuum was built to make your life easier. The included accessories are a nice bonus. You'll get a crevice tool, upholstery tool, and an anti-allergen brush, each designed to help with specific cleaning tasks. The crevice tool is great for tight spaces, the upholstery tool is perfect for furniture, and the anti-allergen brush is tailored to help you collect dust and allergens from surfaces that require more delicate care. In real-world testing, the Shark IZ362H performed well, but no vacuum is perfect. The 40-minute battery life is solid for quick, everyday cleanups. But if you have a larger home or need longer cleaning sessions, you might find yourself needing to recharge a bit sooner than you'd like. The self-cleaning brush roll works as advertised, but I did notice some occasional tangling in long hair fibers, though nothing like you'd get with traditional brush rolls. The dust cup is decently sized, but if you have a lot of pets or dust buildup, you might need to empty it more often than you'd expect. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. On the downside, while the low-profile design allows for great access under furniture, I did find it a bit challenging to clean under very low furniture pieces. If you have exceptionally tight spaces, this could be a slight inconvenience. Another point is the noise level. While it's not overwhelmingly loud, it's a little more noticeable than some of the quieter models on the market, especially when on higher suction settings. For those who are sensitive to noise, this could be a consideration. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Shark IZ362H offers great cleaning performance, particularly for pet owners and allergy sufferers. It's got solid suction power, a self-cleaning brush roll, and high-quality filtration, features that typically come with higher-end models. The 40-minute battery life is decent for most users, and the versatility of turning into a handheld vacuum makes it a great option for cleaning both floors and above-floor surfaces. However, if you're comparing it to other models in the same price range, there are some factors to weigh. The runtime may fall short for larger homes, and the noise could be off-putting for some. If you're looking for a quieter option or one with longer battery life, there are alternatives at a similar price point. But overall, the Shark IZ362H offers a solid balance of features and performance. When you stack it up against other cordless vacuums in the same range, you'll find that it competes well with similar models. For instance, if you're considering alternatives like the Dyson V8 or the Tyneco A11, the Shark IZ362H holds its own in suction performance, filtration, and versatility. The Dyson models tend to offer a longer runtime, but they come with a higher price tag. On the flip side, the Tyneco models might be quieter but could have slightly less suction power in comparison. Ultimately, the Shark IZ362H offers a great balance of power, portability, and cleaning capabilities at a more budget-friendly price. In terms of build quality, the Shark IZ362H feels solid but lightweight, with high-quality plastics used throughout. The assembly is straightforward, and the detachable parts fit securely. There's no noticeable rattling or flimsy feeling, and the dust cup is easy to detach and empty without creating a mess. As for long-term durability, Shark generally has a reputation for building reliable vacuums, but like all cordless models, battery longevity can degrade over time, especially with regular use on high-power settings. Customer support for Shark is generally known for being responsive, and if you run into any issues, you can expect a quick resolution. I haven't had any personal interactions with their customer service, but based on their overall reputation, I wouldn't expect any major hassles if you need support. So, should you buy the Shark IZ362H? If you're in need of a versatile, powerful, and pet-friendly vacuum that doesn't weigh a ton and gets the job done on both floors and above-floor surfaces, this could be a solid choice. It offers a good mix of performance and features, especially for pet owners and allergy sufferers. However, if you're dealing with a large home or need something quieter, you might want to consider alternatives. But for most households, the Shark IZ362H is a reliable, budget-friendly option that delivers where it counts. Thanks for watching. If you want to grab the Shark cordless vacuum cleaner, you can find the link in the comments box. Feel free to leave any questions or share your experiences if you've used this vacuum. Goodbye till next time. Keep your floors cleaner and your messes lighter.